I am Dennis McGinn. I am the Chief Executive Officer for Rapid Recon. And for the last 13 years now, we've helped dealers continuously improve profitability by helping them manage their speed to sale.
Hello, my name is Ewart Anderson, Executive Vice President at Velo, and we're excited to announce that last year we acquired Rapid Recon as part of our collection of automotive companies.
In our session, we will help dealers to map their processes into a workflow that makes the most of resource limitations, physical constraints, vendors, and staff to reduce the time from acquisition to frontline ready. The title of our presentation is Find the Right Balance Between Bottom Line and Time to Line. Ewart and myself have had the opportunity to work side by side with some of the most successful dealers in the country, and in this session, we will discuss how they are leveraging the latest technology to increase productivity and improve employee and customer acquisition and retention.
Communications throughout the entire process is a critical component to improving efficiencies, and dealers will take away several tips on how to accomplish that.
We will discuss how to effectively use media tagging to speed up the approval process, answer questions, and add hours and dollars per order.
In this session, we'll provide the dealers with industry best practices we've observed while working with some of the nation's top dealers with the ultimate goal of reducing the time to line from 10 to 12 days to 3 to 5. See you there.